everyone, welcome to Allison's ESL Kitchen. Today I'm going to focus on something that is not cooking. If you're like me, you find cooking fun, and I do. I love cooking. However, all cooks need to recognize that there must be a time for cleanup. So while we clean, I'm going to introduce you to a little bit of vocabulary, or maybe you will have a little fun. So come along and join me. And ew, you caught me at a bad time. I need to clean my stove. So again, the stove is this top part, and usually when we bake something down here, this is the oven. So again, the oven, well, that's another story. First, here I have a sponge, a plain sponge that is moistened. Moistened means I have some water in it. I'm going to use it first to clean up some of the debris. Debris is some of this loose crumbs and materials that are easy to gather and sweep with your hand. So I'm going to first sweep and wipe up some of the loose debris or pieces that are on my stove. With young children in my house, I prefer to use as little chemicals as possible. So I will now remove these grates. Grates are the coverings over the stovetop. I will use a sponge to scrub some of the dried liquid and food. Yeah, ew. It's actually not that bad, but this is not the fun part of cooking, right? So here I'm just going to scrub using what we call elbow grease. Is elbow grease a real thing? No, it's an expression that we use, meaning if you use your arm to work to clean something rather than using a spray or chemicals, then you are using elbow grease, meaning you're using your elbow a lot in order to scrub. I added some soapy water to my sponge, so there might be a little bubbles, but this is the final time where I'm going to really use some elbow grease. Here we go. And scrub the last part of my stovetop to get all of the stains off. I'm just helping you with some of this vocabulary in English. Allison just used her elbow grease to clean 1/2 of my stove. Much better. I'm going to repeat on the other side. Thank you for your time. Do you have any cleaning tips or advice for me in the kitchen? I would love to hear about them. I am not a professional chef and I am not a professional cleaner. I am an English teacher. So any ideas you want to share with me, I would love to hear from you. That will give you a chance to practice your English, and it will give me a chance to learn something new. So please comment below. All right, so now my stovetop is clean. I feel better about my kitchen, and I'm ready to start my next video to share with you. Thank you for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.